Hey folks, it's Carlos, your DIY plumbing guy. Here's a problem that some of you may have, is the height of a shower head. Usually builders set these to about 6'6", and that height may not work for you or for the kids. And here's a quick and inexpensive fix for this problem. These shower head extensions are adjustable so you can move your shower head up or down according to your needs. So this is a perfect solution for children and adults. Let's get one of these installed and show you how it works. This is a pretty simple install, anybody can do it. First thing we do is take off the shower head. I usually put a towel around it so I don't scratch the shower head. We're gonna reuse them. You just unscrew it. We're gonna keep these because we're gonna reuse it. Next, we're gonna prep these threads. As always, I use my favorite credit tape, Blue Monster. We wrap these about 2 to 3 times. And as always, we wrap them clockwise. I always recommend some thread sealant on top of it. Then we install that extension. Loose this nut up. A little more. Turn it. First, you're gonna do it just hand tight. Now we're gonna add the shower head to it. Same process as the top. Loose this nut up, turn it up, turn around. Again, 2 to 3 rows of Blue Monster and then the sealant. Now your shower head. Finally, you adjust the height. So this one, it's for the kids. So I'm gonna leave it around this height. But obviously, with this extension, you have the flexibility to go really high or really low. Just like every project we do, let's run some water and test these joints. And there you have it. This one came out to 4 foot 10 inches from the tub to the bottom of the shower head, which is perfect for the kids. If you're ready to tackle this project, check the description below for the parts we use, including the shower extension arm. And as always, I try to make these videos easy to follow and helpful. If you're ready for a more challenging project, check out this next video on how to rebuild a toilet. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.